One of the key features in the Kubota L Series is the adaptability that's offered in the series lineup. Take the front-end loaders, which are fabricated, welded, and assembled at our Kubota facility just outside of Atlanta, Georgia. The extensive design process focuses on creating an ideal combination of performance, durability, and efficiency. The BH77 and BH92 backhoes are performance matched and designed to work in conjunction with both the tractor and the front loader. And the Swift Connect makes mounting or dismounting the backhoe an easy task. And either choice of the DT or HST transmissions features advantages and adaptability that will help you accomplish tasks. Other optional accessories include a canopy, cruise control to help mow large areas or travel long distances, rear remote hydraulic controls, and third function hydraulic valves that help to make the front-end loader an extension of the operator's hand. These implements and many other, including land pride offerings, make the Kubota L Series an incredibly adaptable tool for work or home.